Hi everybody, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's about 60 degrees, probably maybe 62. I'm wearing a t-shirt. First time. Woohoo! But I'm sifting through stuff here and finding interesting stuff. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, what is this? Oh, another big horse tag ring. And something else here. Oh, wow. What is that? That's interesting. Oh, I forget what you call those things. Okay, cool. Oh, another one of those. Here's my pile. Now there's 5. Nail. Wow. Got some stuff there. Okay, we got something in here. Wow. Huh. And a nail. Another one of these. Is that it? Oh, there's something else. Interesting. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Okay, I got something here that's a little bit larger. Oh, look what that is. Interesting. There's something large here. I'm gonna have to dig that out, I think. Okay, we've got something large coming out here. Let's see what it is. Wow. Interesting. This thing was right over here next to it, and it's hollow inside. Things that make you go, There's something else hard right there. Oh. Interesting. Okay, we've got a kind of a little hot spot right here. Okay, I'm gonna dig some more. So this just came out. What is that? Oh my goodness. Check it out. Okay, it's time to show you everything I found today. Well, in the past couple hours. I have no idea what this is, and I don't see any words on it, but it's kind of interesting. Found this little buckle, and this is a mystery item. It feels like it's plastic, but it was underground. So I don't know what that is. Here are the rest of the items, and along with springtime comes mosquitoes, which are buzzing me right now. So this is a cool item. I don't know what that is. Hollow. Here is a belt, part of a belt, with those little green washers in them. Like, oh, where is one? Oh, here it is. Like this. And here's one that is put together with the little washer. So that's interesting. Found this thing. This thing, it looks like it's tapered at the end, doesn't it? So I don't know what that is. There's a hole right here. And look at this square thing. Wow. This item is very heavy. Then there's this. And if you know what any of these things are, please let me know. This has a slit right here that goes through. And this is kind of light. Just a bunch of nails and bolts and stuff like that. The usual stuff. And you got this thing. And this piece broke off. So, pretty interesting stuff. So, that's all for today. I'll dig some more another time. Have a great day, everybody. It is springtime, and I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt today. It is April 22nd, 2023. There's one of my little helpers today. Muffy, what do you see out there? See any gophers? Go get 'em, Muffy. This is what it looked like in 1908, an old shop set right next to this building. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching. Join me in these other videos from the ranch.